If tomorrow all the things were gone, I'd work for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife. I thank my lucky stars to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. From the lakes of Minnesota to the hills of Tennessee, across the plains of Texas, from sea to shining sea, from Detroit down to Houston and New York to LA, where there's pride in every American heart. And it's time we stand and say that I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the men who died, who gave that right to me. And I gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA.
The program bringing the Milestones of Freedom here to Daybreak Elementary, I think is really great, because we don't get a lot of opportunities to talk about patriotism and citizenship and the different things with the students. And so to be able to bring a program like this in detail, where the students can learn and actually go through an interactive simulation to become citizens, is a fantastic way for students to learn, as well as to be, great true Americans in our society. So I love that the program is here at Daybreak, and that we can share and give the citizens that knowledge.
Milestones of Freedom is an excellent program for the older students in elementary school to actually understand what it took as far as sacrifices and effort in order for many of our ancestors to be able to come and enjoy the freedoms that we have here in the United States. The program opened up with an outstanding assembly which explained to them the sacrifices that the immigrants had to make in order to be able to come here, and the willingness that they had to be able to enjoy our freedoms that we take for granted today. It was an excellent curriculum to help support fourth as they go into the 5th grade curriculum, learning about what the history of the United States is, as well as assuredly 5th grade and 6th grade, because we still have so many people immigrating from all over the world to come into the United States today. I really enjoyed the Passports of Freedom small centers that the students worked through. They worked in groups of 10 through each of the stations, and they were able to understand the different commitments that they need to make in order to become a citizen. So it was a very powerful assembly that was emotionally strengthening as well as moving to try to help us understand what being a citizen of the United States is and how valuable it is to us. We take it for granted, and we need to remember that people in the history have given great sacrifices to enjoy the things that we have today and come so easily for us.
I think it's a very important program because I believe in freedom and I think in patriotism. I think it's very important to teach my kids how important it is to live in a country that's free and that we honor the flag and honor our leaders. That's one of the most, and also where we came from and how hard it was to immigrate to the United States, and for all those people who don't have the freedom, and to see, you know, what all these people went through to get freedom.
And are you an immigrant, if you don't mind?
Yes, I am. Yeah, well, my husband is an American, so you know, I came here for love, very good reason. But yeah, I became an American citizen 4 years ago.
So you've been through the process.
Yeah, I've been through the process. Yeah. So this was 4 years ago I did that.
And what has been your favorite part of the day so far?
Just the kids, just seeing and teaching them about what we have, and the Declaration of Independence, what it entails, and the courage the man and all the people took, our ancestors, to be free, all that. So I think it's a great thing to teach them.
I had a fabulous time, and my students enjoyed the day very much. I spent a lot of time prepping them on this day and let them know how important it was. They are here living a dream because those people 100 years ago made the sacrifice to come here. So they are the beneficiaries of what we've seen here today, and they need to know that.
And what was your favorite part of the day?
I'm a history guy. I love the old-time pictures, the stories about the families coming, the personal stories I thought were just terrific.
And how big of an impact on your day did it have? Did you feel like...
For me personally,
Yeah.
I've been looking forward to it all week. It was wonderful. You guys have done a wonderful job.
Well, it was really a neat experience because I learned a lot about how the people make the Constitution, and it's really emotional for me because I'm just a resident of this country now, but I learned how they fight so this country can be a better place to live, that we have freedom for many things that I don't really have in my own country.